Hey Jack, I'm making this video to show you how dynamic pages are working and how they work with our content, how they are connected and link it to the texts. So the first thing is that we have a menu here where we can switch between site pages and dynamic pages. As the main dynamic page, we're using service locations. This is a database. Over here we have the left menu. We should go to CMS and your collections if we want to see this database. Inside service locations, we have linked this service collection contains the 4 services you are offering and the locations, the 12 locations that you are serving. So in case you want to add more, you should go to your collections. For example, to add a location, we go here and add an item. If we want to add a service, we go to this collection and add a service. For better organization, I want to include in the services collection all the content we are using for each service. So as you can see here, we have 4 rows that distinct the services and different fields that are connected to the page. For example, for the painting service, we have the help background, the help title, the help 1, 2, and 3 texts that are from a section. This section is linked here. As you can see, here is the background that is linked to the database, and these are the texts that are linked. So if we want to make changes, as you can see, the entire page is connected to a service locations collection, but inside we have more connections. As I show you, we have the service and the location collections linked, so we can access to their fields. So if we want to change this title, we should come here in the field connection drop-down menu and see the name of the text. In this case, this title was named Why Aspire. So if we want to change it, we go here to the CMS, your collection, services, and we look for Why Aspire. And here it is. This is just plain text because it's a title, but you can have images, rich text. For example, this is a rich text, and more type of items. And how do I know that this title is connected to a service collections? This is because when you open this field, you have at the top the fields that are from the main collection, that in this case is the service locations item collection. Then we have, then below we have the location collection that specify its fields, and below we have the services collection that has all the content for the services. And that's why I know that is connected to the service collection. The changes are reflected automatically. This means that when you modify something in the database, that is reflected in runtime. So once you finish here, you close, and you will be able to see it in the page. There is one thing that I want to let you know. If we go to the service locations collections, we can see that here, after the URL, we have some backgrounds and texts that should be in the service collection. The service locations should only have the links to the service and the locations with the URL slug that we are using. In this case, we are using this location slug and this title slug that is the primary field, and we can preview it here. But after this field, we should have these backgrounds and text. But I will fix this after I finish setting up everything and the site works well, etc.